Tirana, the capital city of Albania, home of the pyramid-shaped monument called the Enver Hoxha Pyramid, which was built in 1988 and is just over 32 metres high, or 106 feet, and made entirely of concrete and glass. Why? It's to honour the former communist leader. That said, in 2000, the city has an initiative to paint buildings with bright colours to liven up the city after years of communist rule. Go figure. But I'm here for this, the flag of the city, which, like many other cities in the Balkan region, is basically the city seal on a blue sheet. Sounds familiar, USA? The city's coat of arms, also known as the emblem of the municipality of Tirana, is simply the shield. It's based on two notable landmarks and a family.
This is the Kule Sahad, or the Clock Tower, which was built in 1822 by a poet called Ethem Bey Malaj, who also built the mosque next door, which is named after him. Surely he should be called an architect and not a poet. The tower has 90 steps and is 35 metres or 115 feet tall, and after restoration in 26 is now a major tourist attraction. The bell is from Venice, Italy.
Above the shield is the Tirana Castle, or fortress of Justina, which dates back to the 1300s and links to the Byzantine era. It's the three towers that still stand which appears on the flag. And on the right we have a lion with a single fleur-de-lis with a red ribbon. This is taken from the coat of arms of the Sukhia family, an Albanian family which reached military administrative ranks within the Byzantine Empire, as well as being a member of the local Albanian nobility. Not much else is known about this flag, except it was adopted on the 14th of November 2000, but as for the blue, its representation is not known, or why the red is used behind the clock tower. Maybe a link to the national flag there. And to understand more about the Albanian national flag, its colours and the story behind the double-headed eagle that is used on the two of the neighbouring countries, then this is your next video without a doubt. And you can keep up to date with all things going on in Flags in Focus by signing up to the newsletter in the description below. Be seeing you